Oh.
Hello.
What's right? I guess.
Babies. Sorry, she's kind of a... Okay, you just stop now, Kelly. Oh, dude, that's so much fun. What else is fun? What else is like a fun little habit thing?
It's on my face. Oh.
That is like hilarious. Like, no, try to pick a dog. Oh my gosh! You actually sound like a gorilla. I don't know what's going on with her. I think she's trying to act like a gorilla. Yeah, so we're like really bored. Alright, so I think we're gonna go. Kelly's like in pain.